Yo, what is up YouTube, Fury here, bringing you guys a brand new video, and in today's video we're going to be talking about some new things in Fortnite that we have seen recently, as well as a new skin that Epic Games has been giving out because of the, downtime that was happening yesterday. But before we get into today's video, if you guys do enjoy, make sure you drop a like, subscribe to the channel if you guys are brand new, make sure to turn on those post notifications, and if you get first like on any of my videos, make sure you send me a Twitter image. I'll hit you guys back with that follow. With that said, let's get right into today's video. If you guys are interested in winning some free V-Bucks, we are currently giving away 6,000 V-Bucks to you guys. All you gotta do to enter is like the video, subscribe if you aren't already, and turn on those post notifications, as well as follow the Gleam link in the description down below. There's going to be 6 winners, 1,000 V-Bucks each. Good luck to everyone. So as most of you guys know, yesterday Epic Games was going through a bunch of server issues, a bunch of downtime that was occurring yesterday, basically the entire day. So the servers were offline, you couldn't really connect to anything. There's a big queue time, and even after you got past that queue time, you'd get put back into the queue, or it'd just say you failed to connect to the servers. So obviously there's a bunch of people on Twitter, going at Epic Games saying what's wrong, what's happening with the servers. Now there was an issue that they found with the matchmaking and stuff like that. So they ended up mentioning that they were going to drop a new backpack, a rust bucket backpack, that's what they call it, or back bling I should say. Now this thing is free in the store for a limited time, so you only have until the end of today, or the end of today's daily item cycle, for you to pick this up. And I think at the time I'm recording this video, there's roughly like 5 hours left, so I definitely recommend hopping on before the time runs out so you can pick up this backpack. It is in the store for 0 V-Bucks, so it's completely free. I'm surprised they didn't just give it to every user, but instead they make you go into the daily items, pick it up that way. It's pretty cool there. I mean, they've given something for something that they've been messing up on, and it's not really like the biggest issue. Obviously games have issues, they have to shut down the servers and stuff like that, but it's nice that they did this little gesture as a we're sorry for the servers being down, here's a free backpack, or back bling. So I definitely think it's cool for them to do that. Definitely major props to them for just giving back for something they messed up on. So actually I apologize, this thing does not run out today. You can actually get this until April 19th. So the downtime was from April 12th, that's when it went down, the servers went down. So you have the 13th as of currently until the April 19th to redeem this backpack. So I'm assuming it's going to be in the daily items until the 19th. It's basically going to just take up a spot. You're not really going to get a new item in that spot. It's just going to be the rust backpack. So if you guys can't hop on today, you guys have until the 19th to actually redeem this backpack. Obviously this thing is called the rust bucket, so it's obviously going to go with the rust lord. It's probably going to be the best fit for that skin, but obviously, like you guys know, you can use back blings on any skin in the game. So if you guys were to have the rust lord, I'm pretty sure you get the rust lord from the battle pass. Obviously you level up the battle pass, or you get the battle pass and you have the rust lord. So this was a good fit for that skin. If you guys wanted to match it up with something, I definitely recommend the rust lord for that. Now in the description for this back bling, it is part of the Storm Scavenger set, so if you guys have any of the other Storm Scavenger sets, or Storm Scavenger items, this will be a good fit for any of those skins, any of those items. Now that is not the only thing that we've seen in the game this morning. Today there was a new custom matchmaking button that has appeared on consoles. If you guys do log in currently, I'm currently on PS4, I logged in, and on the bottom right there is a custom matchmaking button. So there's not much that you can do with this button, but it is a cool thing that they added, showing some leaks as to what is coming, what they're working on in the game. So once you do click this custom matchmaking button, it'll come up with a custom matchmaking key, so you can put in a passcode for your lobby. So I'm assuming what they're gonna do is once you set up that matchmaking key, there's gonna be a little menu showing you all the custom lobbies in the game, and you can choose on those, and then once you have the key, you can go ahead and join that lobby, that server, or whatever it may be. This is a really cool feature, especially for streamers that have tournaments, sub tournaments and stuff like that. Follower tournaments, whatever it may be. Definitely a cool way to get your subs, your followers, basically anybody that supports you into a game with you, and you can do these custom lobbies. So it'd be pretty cool to get like a bunch of your fans, a bunch of your subs, followers, whatever it may be. Say if you're streaming on Twitch, YouTube, and you set up a lobby that holds 100 people. Now obviously we don't know how many people these lobbies can hold, but say if it you can hold a 100-person lobby, you just get 100 of your followers to join your game, and you guys just battle it out like a regular Fortnite Battle Royale game. I definitely think it's a really cool feature. Now we're not completely sure how it's going to work, like I said, if there is going to be a lobby cap on how many people you can have in the lobby, but definitely a cool thing that I could definitely see a lot of streamers taking advantage of. Now, I'm not completely sure if this feature still shows up on PC. It did in the past. Now, it was only on PC previously, but now it's found in the bottom right of any console game. Now, Xbox and PS4 do show this. I'm not completely sure if it still shows it on PC. I don't play PC myself, but on my PS4, I do see this option on the bottom right. Now, once you put in your passcode, now it mentions this is used for private matches, tournaments, and other custom games. So I'm assuming custom games for tournaments is going to be running on here from, you know, MLG or whatever it may be, whatever site you use for tournaments. Probably going to be running on these. They're going to set up games for you guys, and you guys can join them that way. Now, like I said, you can put in the code, but once you accept the code, it doesn't really do anything. It's just kind of there as a, you know, something to test out. You do hit L2 on PS4, you type in the passcode you want to use, you hit accept, and you just go back to the lobby. You don't really go into any private match or anything like that. So it's pretty cool that this is probably coming very soon to the game, because they are implementing it slowly, just not actually, you know, using the menus and actually putting you into a custom game. Not only will these custom games be helpful for streamers, tournament runners, anything like that, it's going to be good for YouTubers as well that do just jump into a game, get screenshots and stuff like that, because you definitely don't want to be taking screenshots mid-game. That way, you know, you end up getting killed, you end up ruining your stats. If you do care about stats, that is. You can just run into a custom matchmaking game, set the party limit to 1 if you can set that limit, and then you just jump in, take some screenshots, some videos, stuff like that. It'd be a very cool idea, as well as being able just to jump into a game and work on your building. Say you don't want to land Wailing Woods in a match and you just want to build in a custom game. That'd be a pretty cool feature. Definitely just a bunch of things that we've been doing on Call of Duty, because obviously I come from a Call of Duty background. You know, we jump into custom games, get screenshots for thumbnails, you know, video recordings of how weapons work and stuff like that. Pretty cool feature over on Call of Duty. I could definitely see them trying to bring that into Fortnite. Obviously not the same way, because COD and Fortnite are two different games, but I definitely could see this coming to coming to Fortnite very soon, especially if they're already putting in the option for it in the game and it's not even working. Since as of right now, these custom matchmaking games aren't working, they're not in the game, you know, something that you can just join into a custom game. They have released the Replay Royale or replay mode, you know, in the game, so you can basically jump into a theater mode type thing, and you can actually get gameplays from there. You get screenshots from there, cinematics, if you guys are into the cinematic scene on, you know, video games and stuff like that. They are running a contest if you guys did want to join that. I can put the link in the description down below if you guys are really good at editing and stuff like that. But also for those YouTubers that do want to get screenshots and stuff, you know, most of you guys do know of the replay system in Call of Duty. If you guys do play that game or have played that game, you can just jump into a theater mode, get screenshots, gameplays, recordings, stuff like that there. But now you can do it in Fortnite. You can jump into previous matches and get some videos of what you've been doing. Say if you didn't have that recording, you weren't recording at the time, you can jump into this replay system and actually get some gameplays from there. You know, some clips and stuff like that for your YouTube videos, montages, all that good stuff. So it's a really good feature, especially for those that do, you know, montages and stuff. Pretty cool little thing that they put into Fortnite, especially, like I said, for those, you know, montage players, whoever do montages and stuff like that. You're not recording at the time, jump into there and get some clips from there, as well as those editors that do the cinematics for those editing montages. So that'll basically do it for today's video, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed. Make sure you hop on, get your new Rust Bucket back bling if you guys have not already. It is a free skin, so you might as well take the advantage of it, take it, pick it up, and use it. So definitely a cool thing there. A big shout out to Epic Games for that free skin right there. And then as well as we got the new matchmaking potentially coming very, very soon to the game. Very cool concept. Hopefully that does come in very soon. But that'll basically do it for today's video. If you guys did enjoy, make sure you drop a like, subscribe if you guys are new, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.